India 0-0 England. Bichu Devi heroics see India cling on to qualify for second round. India 0-0 England. Bichu Devi's heroics save India. Fire England crash out as India reach the second round. Field face. Match highlights in full story. India have survived a dramatic battle against England, holding the Lionesses to a 0-0 draw and securing their place in the second round of the Women's Hockey World Cup. The match was tense from the very beginning. India knew that a draw could be enough to keep their campaign alive, while England entered the contest under much greater pressure, knowing that victory was crucial for their hopes of progressing. Both teams played with enormous intensity, but clear chances were difficult to create. India focused heavily on defensive discipline, while England tried to increase the pressure as the game progressed. The biggest story of the night was Bichu Devi. India's goalkeeper stood firm when England pushed forward, producing crucial saves and giving her team the confidence to survive one attack after another. As the clock continued to run down, the pressure became enormous. England threw more players forward in search of the decisive goal. In the closing stages, England even removed their goalkeeper to create an extra attacking player and put India under maximum pressure. But India refused to break. Every clearance, every defensive challenge, and every save became more important as the final whistle approached. England kept searching for the goal that could change everything, but India's defense remained organized and determined. Then came the final whistle. India 0-0 England. For India, it was a result that felt like a victory. The draw was enough to send the Indian team into the second round, with their disciplined defensive performance proving decisive. For England, however, the result was heartbreaking. Despite dominating the pressure late in the match, they could not find the goal they desperately needed. India now moved forward with confidence, while Bichu Devi's performance will be remembered as one of the defining moments of this dramatic encounter. India survive. England are left frustrated. What a finish to Pool D, Fire Field. India are through to the second round.